Alright, we're looking at like 3 inches of snow right now. May not look like it, you can kind of tell right there. But it doesn't look like it's going to be stopping anytime soon. Got snow coming up on the... And it's blowing wind out there too, so that doesn't make it any funner. There it is, and it is 3:30 right now. Hopefully it slows down a little bit, but I plan on going sledding this weekend if there's snow on the ground, so I might do some videos of that. So I'll see you guys. Hopefully you're not getting hit by this storm. Let me know if your state is getting hit by any snow right now, because I know this is a fairly big storm. So alright, and if you are getting hit by this storm, drive safe out there, guys.